Exposing the secret to unlocking your iPhone 7 without a passcode. It's simpler than you think. Let's dive right in. First up, use a computer with iTunes or Finder. Turn off your iPhone 7 and connect it to your computer while holding the volume down button. Keep holding until you see the recovery mode screen. Now on your computer, select Restore. This will erase your iPhone and reset it to factory settings. Another method is using iCloud. If Find My iPhone is enabled, go to iCloud.com/find on another device. Select your iPhone 7 and choose Erase iPhone. Confirm your Apple ID and boom, your iPhone will be erased and ready for setup. Running iOS 15.2 or later? Enter the wrong passcode until you see Erase iPhone on the lock screen. Tap it, confirm with your Apple ID, and you're all set. Remember, all these methods will erase your data, so make sure you have backups. And always use Apple's official methods for the best security.